How to change username in Pinterest. So to change the username, first you have to check that you have a stable internet connection, and after checking you have to open up your Pinterest application. And after opening your application, on the bottom right corner you will have your profile icon. Tap on profile, and after opening your profile, on the upper right corner you will have a 3 dots icon. Tap on those 3 dots and then tap on edit public profile. And before proceeding, make sure to like and subscribe our channel for more videos. You can tap on username, and under the username you can just remove this and you can simply add any other number or any other username that you would like. And after entering that, you can tap on done, which is on the upper right corner. And that's it, your profile has been updated. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.